Dodo Kids!
Moki might look super tough, but she's so sweet. She loves everybody. But her best friends are not just one, but 2 guinea pigs, Pandora and Frida. I know, crazy, right? Wait until you see how these 3 furballs became best animal friends. Moki the dog didn't always have best friends. In fact, when she lived at the animal shelter, Moki didn't have anyone at all. But then one day, a lady came to visit. She looked at all the dogs in the shelter until she got to the very last one. That was Moki. It was love at first sight. So Moki's new mom brought her home. There was just one problem. Well, actually 2. The guinea pigs. The people at the shelter had told Moki's mom to be careful. "Protect the guinea pigs," they said. Moki's nice to you, but she might not be so nice to those guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are pretty small, after all. But when Moki met Pandora and Frida, Moki was like, "Hi, you're cute. What are you?" And Pandora was like, "I'm a guinea pig. Smell me." Moki wanted to smell them. And lick them. And lick them some more. So then Moki's mom kept letting the guinea pigs out to play. And Moki was always so sweet and gentle with them. But Pandora and Frida still weren't totally sure about Moki. When they were out of their cage, they'd just kind of freeze. I mean, Moki was a lot bigger than them. But Moki seemed nice for a dog, and the guinea pigs wanted to give her a chance. One day, Moki's mom put the guinea pigs right on Moki's bed. And what did Moki do? She laid right down and snuggled them. Moki liked Pandora and Frida so much, she even started sharing her toys with them. Moki, I believe that is a little big for guinea pigs. Now these 3 hang out together all the time, doing all kinds of fun stuff. Like rolling on the ground, playing whatever game this is, and being best buds. These 3 friends learned to trust each other. It didn't happen right away. It took a little bit of time and a few good sniffs. But before they knew it, they were best animal friends. And they always will be.
Dodo Kids!
Like, comment, and subscribe.